Hey, what's up? It's Mr. Laughing Face Hippie, and I'm following Nigahiga on this one. That new song by Rebecca Black called Friday. Yeah, that's right. Complete silence. Like, waking up at 7 in the... She talks about waking up at 7 in the morning, going downstairs and eating cereal, and then going to the bus stop, and then, like, some retarded stuff, like, the front seat's open, the back seat's open. Which seat should I take? Get in the car, we're gonna be late for school. Hey, I gotta think about what seat I should take. It's retarded. It's like, oh my god. And 61 million views? Really? No, but I think he said, nobody can beat that. Nobody can beat that. I mean, like, I can't top it, 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 can't top it. Ow! Can't top it unless you smosh. Jerks.